think my health was non-existent almost. I just got in a really bad, I don't know, lifestyle, you know. After my son, middle child, was diagnosed with autism, life kind of took over, and the sleepless nights, everything set in, and I just stressed, and I basically lived off coffee, biscuits, chocolate, and no exercise, no nothing, and I was just tired, unmotivated, put so much weight on, and I've never really carried weight around my middle or anything, and I just got unhealthy to look at. I felt unhealthy, I was tired, I was getting ill, I was just in a pretty poor state, to be honest. So yeah, when I was in the thick of it and I was just stressed and there was no sleep and blah blah, I was miserable, but I didn't really think, you know, too much of it. It was just a bad routine. I got stuck in that rut, just doing it every day. Like I despise the way I look, but it's one of them, you know, just covered up with clothes and just thought, oh, get on with it. But obviously, as time's gone on, I've just grown increasingly unhappy with the way I look, and because I used to be pretty fit, and I just think I just got to a point where I was just like, I'm so tired of being unhappy with the way I look, the way I feel, I'd say. So I've dropped the 2 dress sizes. That was my goal, but I didn't think I would do it. I thought I'll go for 2 dress sizes and I'd be happy if I lost 1. So yeah, more than happy with that. And I just thought, should I do it? Should I not? Is it one of them where, you know, I'm just going to make excuses and try and flip my way through it or whatnot? And so I thought, even if it drops me 1 dress size, I thought it was going to be really hard. I thought, oh God, he's going to set me all these tasks every week. I'm going to have to do all these, like, slogging it out, hours of exercise. And then I'm going to get a bollocking at end of week if I've not done what I've done. And it was nothing like that at all. So my expectation was that it was going to be a lot harder than it has been. And that I'd probably only have dropped a dress size. But it's been the opposite. It's been really easy, really chill. And I've managed, but I think that's why I've managed to drop what I have, to be honest.
Because we never met in person.
Yeah.
We did all this online. So it was, I mean, did you find that it was really, really flexible and fit in well?
Oh, 100%. I didn't think I would be able to, you know, fit the workouts in and blah, blah, blah. So yeah, completely. What you set was so doable. You know, each week it wasn't like jumping at the deep end. It was start easy breezy, and it was just not challenging. That was the good thing about it. It was so easily done, so I could achieve it. 100% best thing I ever did, as in, if you want to do it and your head's on it, I couldn't do it myself. You know, so many times I've, you know, put a bit of weight on, got in a bad place, and then I've sorted myself out, got myself fit. But if you need that extra push and that, you know, I didn't know anything about nutrition. I didn't know anything about the fitness. I didn't know about calories. I didn't know about any of it really. So I just think if you want to do it, it's the best thing you could do, because either not just for support, but obviously when you've got someone guiding you and telling you what you're doing, if you're struggling, you know, do this, blah, blah. And obviously there's a group of support there, it's made it all doable. And having someone, I know it's daft, but for me, being held accountable every week to say, you know, this is what I've been doing, I can't make excuses, it worked. Well, look at my pictures, it worked. Like, I've been, for 2.5 years, I've not been able to sort myself out, and your head's in the right place where you want to sort yourself out, 100% do it. I feel like a different person now. I feel a million times better, which is obviously worth its weight in gold, isn't it? When you're so much more mentally positive, physically confident. I can keep up with my little Tasmanian devil now. It's, yeah, 100%.